Welcome everybody to the Whole Circle Homestead. Today we're making carbide lathe tools. They'll charge you up to 150 bucks for one of these. Just buy the tip, you can get them for about $15–20. The rest of this is pretty much scrap. I'll show you how we built it. Come along, let's have some fun. Alright, for the tip of our tool we just got some square bar. We'll put the tip on and we'll trace out our pattern. We'll do some grinding, drill and tap it on. Alright, we got some logs I've been saving. We'll turn up some handles. We'll just use the tools half done, get ourselves some nice handles. Now for the part that everyone loves to watch, finishing. Here's my recipe. And there you have it, 3 different carbide lathe tools. It was a pretty fun project. I hope you enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. We'll see you next time. Ooh, it's cold. Kind of hard to hold all these. Always losing the gloves. Too many tools to hold in my hands. Good problem to have, I guess, right?
And that's a wrap.